Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to FSX online program. It's your fourth week assignments, hints and tips, and I'm your computer teacher Rubina Ishtiyaq. It's the module 1, learning the basics, and task 3, hints and tips. Here are some basic tools to exchange the environments and settings. Mouse settings, programs and features, customize your desktop, multitasking, task manager, and file properties. So the first one is mouse setting. How can we change the mouse setting? In first the mouse settings, we are going to learn how to change those of our mouse. Microsoft Windows offer us a way to customize the buttons of our mouse on the movement of our cursor, which is very handy, especially if we are left-handed. So to change the mouse setting, firstly click the start button and then click control panel. Click mouse. The mouse properties windows will be appear. Here are some tabs, button, pointers, point options, wheel and hardware. Now the button configuration, switch primary and secondary buttons. Now if we check the double click are actually the folder to test your settings. If your folder doesn't open or close, try use a slower setting. The second option is programs and feature. We can remove programs that we have installed on our computer and that is no longer needed, but be extra careful. Actually, once we delete a program in this way, it's permanently deleted from our computer. So to remove a program, firstly we click the start button and then click control panel. Click the programs and features. We should see an uninstall button show up at the top of the pane. Click on that and it will open up the program uninstaller. This window is appear in front of you, uninstaller or change a program. Click on the uninstall and all the programs appear in front of you, and the programs you want to delete, check the button and click on a delete button. The next one is customize your desktop. To arrange the desktop icons, select the one we want and drag and drop it anywhere we like. So to unlock and move our taskbar, right click the taskbar and click lock and taskbar. Once the small check mark disappears, drag and drop the taskbar on the four sides of the screen. It's a desktop and here are the some options: the toolbars, cascade windows, show window stack, show windows side by side, show the desktop, task manager, and at the end the properties. Now click the setting. This window is appear in front of you and your taskbar locations on screen. You change top, bottom, right and left. The next one is task manager. To close a program that is not responding, firstly right click on an empty space in your taskbar. Click the start task manager, click the program that is not responding and click end task. Actually, the task manager helps you manage all the programs that are running, and it's very useful when a program is not responding to your command. This window is appear in front of you. It's the task manager. Here's the task manager and the resource values, the memory, expand the percentage values and disk network. So click on the values, your values will be changed. The next one is multitasking. In Microsoft Word, Windows allows you to work with many programs simultaneously and have many files and folders open. We can arrange them in a way that makes working easily. To arrange your windows, firstly right click an empty space on your taskbar, then click Cascade Windows, Show Windows Stack or Show Windows Side by Side to arrange your windows accordingly. Here are all the three options: the Cascade window, Show Window Stacked and Show Window Side by Side. So if you click Show Windows Side by Side, your all windows that you are going to work in two or three more different windows, they shows you in front side by side. The next one is file properties. To access the file properties, locate the file on your hard disk, for example in my document. The right click it and click properties. The property window will appear. See the information you want or apply any property and click OK. Now, if you want to check the properties of any file, the right click on the file and this dialog box is open in front of you. Now click the properties. See the another example, the sample file, the right click and at the end you see the properties. Then click on the properties and the properties of these files will be appear in front of you. Now if you want to show the hide selected items, then firstly select and right click on the folder, then click on properties, then see the next window, hide selected items, click on it and the folder will be hide. So it's the end of the topic. Thank you student. Allah Hafiz.